62 रन की दरकार, 30 गेंदें बची हैं और सलीम और अरुण क्रीज पर। शबीर अहलूवालिया गेंद डालने को तैयार, एक विकेट भी ले चुके हैं और अद्भुत सा एक्शन इनसाइड एज, खुशकिस्मत और डॉट बॉल।
समस्या ये है जब दूसरी तरफ विकेट गिरते हैं तो अगर एक बल्लेबाज में क्षमता भी हो तो थोड़ा दबाव आ जाता है, थोड़ा प्रेशर आ जाता है, इतना आसान नहीं। वर्तमान जो औसत है वो केवल 4 से ऊपर। So really they have to now up the ante, just look for those big shots. Kerala strikers, if they have to be in the game.
ऐसा लग नहीं रहा कि ये वही टीम है जिसने अपना पहला मुकाबला आज जीता था और ये स्लॉपी फील्डिंग इसका फायदा उठा पाएगी केरला की, नहीं उठा पाती है और उठा लिया। एक अच्छी साझेदारी की जरूरत है। 6 रन की पार्टनरशिप 9 गेंदों पर, nothing to boast of. They definitely need a miracle from here if they want to salvage anything out of this match. And Varun Badola telling Shabir some tips and tricks to get rid of the current batsman. And a wide delivery.
Yeah, that's a waiver delivery. In fact, both the teams had an identical start because Mumbai Heroes as well lost their first wicket when the score was 3. And so was the case for Kerala Strikers. And the second wicket, Mumbai Heroes also losing when the score was 19. And Kerala Strikers also lose the second wicket when the score was 19. So identical starts for both the sides. 59 required. Looks to be a daunting task, not able to time it inside edge. Will just be one more run. They won't mind those singles coming. What they have to look out for is not to concede boundaries here. Mumbai Heroes, 1 or 2s really won't make a difference because with that the required run rate will be creeping up all the time.
Well, they have wickets in hand, but that is not going to matter anymore because the kind of performance, the kind of determination that we have seen from them in the last few deliveries is dismal, it's disheartening, and it's definitely leaning in Mumbai's favour. Well, he's tried to loft that, will land safely short of the fielder. Well, they'll still manage to get a single run. And 57 runs required of 26 balls. The penultimate ball of the 6th over, and Arun is on strike.
Now just see that, the dot deliveries. Now that's very important. 19 dot balls, the 6th over in progress. Just 2 boundaries coming for the Kerala Strikers, 10 singles, but 19 dot balls. So almost 3.1 overs as far as the dot balls go. And that's where they have lagged behind.
Absolutely. Well, that's a welcome boundary. Will give them the slightest ray of hope at the end of the tunnel, but you never know, that ray of hope could also be an oncoming train in the form of Mumbai Heroes.
कहते हैं ना, कहीं पे निगाहें कहीं पे निशाना, पर जो भी है यहाँ पे बाउंड्री मिलती हुई और रन आने जरूरी हैं। स्कोरबोर्ड चलता रहेगा तो वो पक्ष में रहेगा केरला स्ट्राइकर्स के।
आखिरी गेंद छठे ओवर की 32 पर 2 के नुकसान पर 53 रन की दरकार रख रहे हैं केरला स्ट्राइकर्स। अपना पहला मुकाबला उन्होंने काफी डिटर्मिनेशन, काफी ग्रिट और काफी क्षमता से खेला था, और ये आखिरी गेंद कोशिश करी उसको उठाकर मारने की, और ये छक्का। वेलकम रन्स coming off the bat of Arun, and after the completion of 6 overs is 38 for the loss of 2 wickets.